First of all, I'm gonna make a 오이무침, which means a seasoned cucumber. Cucumber is something that you have to eat during the summer times because cucumber helps to hydrate your body. This side dish is really easy to make. I always eat this as a substitute of kimchi. Slice the cucumber and onion. And add a chili powder, sesame, salt, vinegar, red pepper paste, and oligosaccharide in a bowl. Mix them all together until everything's combined. Once you make this at home, you can keep them in the fridge and take them out whenever you want to. Next, I'm gonna show you how to make a 미역볶음, which means a stir-fried seaweed. Put a salted seaweed inside the water and strain them immediately. The fresh seaweed is easy to go bad, so that's why we use salt to preserve it for a long time. However, when you cook, you must remove salt from seaweed. The salt will be dissolved a little bit, but most of them will be washed out. I'm gonna wash them out 3 to 4 times and cut them into separate parts. The seaweed is going to taste a little salty because most of the salt is washed out. And that's why I'm not gonna use salt or a soy sauce. Put a ground garlic, onion, and carrot in a pan and stir them for 2 minutes and 30 seconds in a medium heat. And then put a sliced seaweed, cooking wine, and sugar. Stir them again for 2 minutes and 30 seconds in a medium heat. While we are waiting for this to be done, let me tell you something. If you're not yet a subscriber, please push the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell. That'll definitely help me to grow this channel. Turn up the heat and put a sesame oil and sesame. And mix them all together until everything's combined. I really like the smell of sesame oil and sesame. I think the seaweed inside really enhanced the flavors of sesame oil. Last but not least, I'm gonna make a 우엉조림, meaning that burdock boiled down in a soy sauce. This is a side dish that my mom usually made for me when I was young. I didn't like this much when I was a kid because I didn't appreciate the taste of veggies at the time. But now I got older and I started to like this kind of food. First thing you have to do is stir burdock with an oil and wild sesame oil in a medium heat for 1 minute. And then put a ground garlic, soy sauce, starch syrup, and black sugar. And this black sugar helps me to get a dark brown color when I finish cooking. Stir them 1 minute and pour half a cup of water inside and wait until all the sauce will be absorbed into it. Simmer this for 8 minutes in a medium heat. When water is almost evaporated, put a sesame and sesame oil inside and mix them all together. If you have a black sesame, you can use that as well. Okay, let's try this out with a steamed rice. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And if you are to try one of my recipes, please hashtag my ID in your Instagram and Twitter. The link is in the description box down below, and see you next time. Bye bye!